Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Guys, this market is absolutely wrecked. Some of you may say this is worse than the 2008 financial crisis. Things are looking really bad on the short term, but I want to talk about what I think is going on and hopefully maybe share a little bit of positivity throughout this video. So guys, keep in mind nothing on this episode should be taken as financial advice. Do not sue the moose. He's going to fight back. Okay, so guys, on a real note, it is Thursday, September 25th, 2025. We are at a point right now where I think this is the last shakeout, okay? So if this was going to be a video where it's just bearish, 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 I'd be showing my face and I'd be like, guys, I don't think this is good. But I just want to make a quick update, a little screen recording for you guys. We're going to talk about specifically Cardano, but of course, Bitcoin and the entire crypto market cap plays a role in that. So Cardano, under 80 cents. If this is an opportunity to really, fill up your bags before we go up for alt season, I think this is it. So I want to talk about those reasons as to why. All across, because I've been looking at the traditional markets, that is down quite a bit as well. So here, if we look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart, guys, this is going to give you a visual as to where the market is in terms of 4-year cycles. So the first halving, second halving, third, we're in the fourth. And if you take a look here, we're not even anywhere close towards the red. We're still in the hodl phase. Again, we could have already peaked out. It's possible, but I don't think we have. And there's a lot of reasons for that, which I'll get into in this video. Comment down below if you agree or not. But ultimately, Bitcoin has gotten into the red, at least into the deep orange here. So if we get there, that means that Bitcoin has to get above 150, heading towards 200,000, which I think we're going to get to. And I think we're still going to see the monumental alt season that we've been waiting for. So guys, this is normal. I remember last cycle, these dips like here, where you go from, what is it, $2 down to 120, and people are like, oh, it's over forever. No, because you hold on to your bags and it goes up 3, 4, 5x. You see that time and time again. This time around, with Cardano, if we take a look here, the Cardano Foundation, guys, unveiling the next phase of our roadmap. So here we can see in 8 figures ADA for stablecoin liquidity. This I've been waiting for. Cardano needs stables. And when there's stables, people like me, they want to get into yield farming and DeFi, right? When you own your crypto, you essentially are the bank, right? There's no middleman per se. So with decentralized finance, with DeFi, basically you can connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange and you can begin to make the profits yourself. So let's take a look at this. And guys, before we even get into this, let me share something here. Cardano right now is at a good point. Cardano has been one of the most decentralized cryptocurrencies, one of the best blockchains that has been scaling, that I believe has had 24/7 uptime. It's never been hacked. And it's just solidifying itself as one of the best layer ones in the world, let alone the staking, let alone Midnight that's going to be coming out. The partner chain, right? Privacy-focused partner chain. Smart contracts weren't a thing last cycle. Guys, smart contracts were not a thing last cycle. Keep that in mind. Okay? So this is big. Stable coins, I would like to see USDC on Cardano. Would get the moose loose, but we got to take what happens, right? DeFi liquidity initiative support. Okay? So this would be good. 220 million ADA delegation to new DReps. Okay? So growing that out. 10 million plus for RWA launch. So real world assets, this is big. This is tokenized stocks. This is real world, anything. This could be collectibles. This is a way where we could really get the most out of Cardano. I feel like not a lot is happening, not just with ADA, but with crypto in general. RWAs, big. Okay. So I believe that traditional markets, you have your stock market, it's not going away. Okay. But we will see tokenization on the blockchain. You best believe it. Okay. We're going to see both. Similar to how we still have fiat, we're going to have credit and credit cards, and we're going to have crypto. In fact, we have all three at the same time. Why can't everything exist at once? Some people watch movies on Blu-rays. Some people watch them on VHS, not as much, right? Some things get totally phased out for the most part, but there is a small group that use them. And in fact, some of them go up, right? If you have them sealed, if you take care of it. So think about that. 2 million ADA to the Venture Hub, expanded promotion and adoption. This is the big one. We need more promotion and adoption. More people need to know about ADA, but the longer it survives, the more it thrives. While other blockchains and other projects fail and go to the wayside, Cardano is going to do well. Okay, so we will provide 8-figure amount in liquidity to Cardano stablecoin projects. We will back DeFi adoption, liquidity through initiatives, stablecoin DeFi liquidity budget. We'll see what happens with that. It's really hard to know what's going to happen for sure, right? So Web3 adoption. So RWAs, this is a big one. This is a big narrative for things like Ethereum, Solana. And by the way, I will be doing more Ethereum videos. I want to talk about how I've adjusted things. We have a lot to go over, okay? And by the way, if you guys are holding ADA, go to the link tree. I have it pinned in the comment section below. We are doing a $1,000 giveaway. So I have partnered with this channel, with the Hedges Stake Pool. You guys can enter here, go to ADA 1K giveaway, click the enter here button, follow this, and you get your chance at winning 1,000 ADA. Okay, so if you're just getting started in Web3 and crypto, this could be something that you benefit greatly from. Okay. Yeah, these are the big ones. Yesterday, we announced the launch of a 10 million in RWA on Cardano, thanks to our collaboration with Members Cap. So RWA is going to be a big thing that we're going to be talking about in the near future. I'm probably going to end up owning some, right? So after 5 years bootstrapping Cardano SPOs, we'll now shift more of our focus supporting larger Cardano ecosystem. So yeah, just all across, guys, this is really good. The one I'm most excited about are stable coins. If we could get USDC, there's something about it. You guys put it in the comment section down below. I'm pretty weary of crypto because I've been in projects that have rugged, that have lied to us. We will not use the M word. But you guys have been following me for a while, and I used to have 25 tokens, probably more at one point. Now I only hold 4 or 5. Bitcoin, Cardano, USDC, a little bit of ETH, Other than that, it's small stuff, like maybe a bit of baby snack. Kopi, I still have a bit of Kopi, but not as much as before. I still like that project. I plan on doing more. But this is big stuff, guys. There is no reason why this is going to continue the way it is. This is wow, Astra, is it Astra or Astra? Yeah, that project's gone up. But guys, this is basic beginner BS mini dump. This is nothing. I have been through worse, right? Guys, this is an absolute nothing burger, in my opinion. Crisis is opportunity. If you want to pick up more crypto, I think this is the time. Not financial advice. You guys do what you want. I'm picking up some more. Cardano, 15% off. That's the way I'm viewing this. Alt season hasn't happened. Bitcoin's at over 100,000. Cardano was at $3, basically $3 at one point USD, and Bitcoin never came close to 100,000. So imagine Bitcoin breaking its all-time high. It will get towards 150K. If that happens, ADA is going to the moon. So I still believe it. Then we'll take profits. We'll deal with it when the time comes. In the meantime, guys, I just did another video. Best crypto hardware wallets under 50, 100, 150. Watch this video. Enter the giveaway. Pick up a Tangem, guys. Best wallet under 50 bucks. Tangem Ring is my $150 pick. This thing is fan-frickin-tastic. Guys, protect your crypto. Pick up a Trezor, Ledger. Take an online course. Free Cardano mini course. Guys, it's free. I don't even upsell you here. Just take it. Get better. That being said, guys, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.